appreciations to the staff members who have worked in the college and dedicated their time for 35 years or more.
Assalamu alaikum ji. It's an honor for me to announce the names of different department members who've given their life to Aitchison. 35 years is not a small name. So I would request everybody to kindly please give a huge round of applause for Haji Ali Muhammad Sahab, who worked as a driver in the Garden and Grounds department. Thank you. Next up, we have Riaz Muhammad Sahab, who's worked as an electrician in the workshop department. From the Gardens and the Ground department, we have Sardar Masi, who's worked as a Mali. Please. I'm sure all the boarders would be familiar with Iltaf Hussain Sahab from head builder from Sagar House. From the sanitation department, we have Mushtaq Masi. Please, let's put our hands together for him as well. Thank you. Again, from the Gardens and Ground department, we have Abdul Rashid, who's worked as a Mali for us. May I request Bashir Ahmed Saab, also an electrician from the workshop department, to please come forward. Thank you. From the Kele House, we have Muhammad Arif Saab, the mess bearer. From the security department, we have Liaquat Ali Sahab. And from the sanitation department, we have Arif Masi, who's not well, so his son will bring him along. Thank you very much.